Pound dollar, now we are based on daily chart. Alright, as we can see, even if we refer back to my last video, we say we are more interested in the down move, and as we can see, the price is from here moving up but very slow, and it still haven't broke this high. It came to this level. Alright, but we want to see whether the price can broke this high or not. But as I say, what we want, we are more interested in the down move. Okay, now the question is whether we can expect the price drop and come to this level, or we should expect similar to what we have here, we get one move down. Okay, anyway, we are more interested in the down move, and now the question whether the price can break this top or not. And in this case, we put this one here, and our trend line will be based on daily chart will be this one. Okay, now the thing is whether we get the sell or down move or not. But if we get the sell, that's why we are more I mentioned we are more interested in terms of the risk and reward can give us a really good trade. Okay, and if I move to forward chart, I put this trend line here. Okay, if you refer back to my last video, when the price was here, I think the price was somewhere around here. Okay, I think here somewhere around this one, and as we can see, there was no buy setup. The price move, no buy setup. Now we have the correction here. Okay, now the thing is whether this correction can give us one move up and the price come to this level or not, and whether we want to trade this one or not, it depends on the traders. But as I say, we are more interested in the down move. We want to see how we can trade for the sell. If I put one more trend line here, okay, what we want, whether the price from here or will move a bit higher, we want to get the sell, and we want the price to break this trend line and then come to this trend line, and whether can break this trend line or not. Because I mentioned based on a daily chart, there is a two possibility. The first one, the price come to this trend line and continue and come lower, which we want to expect the price come here. The another one is we can expect the similar to what we have here. That means we can expect the price to drop then move up. Okay, anyway, as I say, we are more interested in the down move, sell, but we don't have any trade set up here. How we can trade if I move to 1 hour chart? Okay, it depends. The first option is we wait the price come to this level, then if we get any sell from there, we take it. Okay, then when the price come to this trend line, we start to manage it, whether it can break out or not. And this is one option. The another option, if we get any correction here, we get the sell setup, also we can sell it. But when the price, if we get any correction here, when the price come to this trend line, it's very close to a trend line, we need to start to manage it. That's why if we get any correction from here, we need to be quite careful. The best things is if the price come to this high. That means if the price come to this high, then from there we get the down move. Okay, now the one things I need to highlight. How about, okay, maybe before that I say, how about if the price, this one become a correction for the one move up? That means we get we have this one relative to each other, and how about if we get the buy from here? It depends on the traders. That means that we get the buy, the price come to this level, this high, and continue and come to this. It depends on the traders whether they want to trade or not. Okay, but as I say, based on higher time frame, we are more interested in the sell. Okay, in that case, if they want to look for buy, that means if they get any sharp move with small correction, they can look for buy, and as long as the price come to this level, they need to start to manage it. In case we have this correction in relative to this and this for next move up. Okay, anyway, as I explained, we are more interested in the sell. Now the question is whether we can get sell from here, which we just now we had a trend line. This trend line, as I mentioned, is close to a trend line. If we want to sell, we need to be quite careful, because if we get any sell, the price come to this trend line, we see it's not moving, we take out the trade. The another option is wait the price from here, come a bit higher, whether here, this high or higher, here or even higher, or also the possibility the price from here move up then drop. Okay, but if the price from here move to this top, then from there any sharp move flag, we can sell it. We can sell it, as I say. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade setup right now. We are more interested in the sell. But no, the only thing is based on higher time frame, what we need to look into this correction. We see how we can trade it. And as I say, still there is a possibility for one move up to price to tag the highest level based on daily chart. May I show here? This level I mean. Okay, if I move to 1 hour chart, that means it's still the possibility we get one move up, one buy within this correction to this high, but it depends on the traders whether they want to take this one or not. Okay, anyway, as I explained, we just follow the market, follow the chart, and we see what we get from here. If we get the buy, we just need to bear in mind the buy should be the when the price come to take this high, we need to start to manage it. Okay, whether the price can break this top and continue or not. And as I say, we are more interested in the sell. Okay, anyway, we just follow the chart and see how we can trade, and if I see any trade setup I will share on YouTube. Thanks.